Are you thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? Well, first off, you need an agent who is there to protect you and who has your best interest at heart. I've worked with tons of buyers throughout the years, helping them secure their dream home. There are so many pieces to purchasing a home, and if you're not careful, it can cost you thousands of dollars. Hi, my name is Latrice DeLuna, and I'm your Lake Forest and Mission Viejo real estate expert. Here's the best part. I'm free. It doesn't cost you anything to work with me. The seller pays my fees. The seller has an agent who is representing them and their best interest, and you need one too. I'm here to guide you through every phase of the transaction, from finding you that perfect home and making recommendations throughout every phase of the transaction. I guide you through making an offer, getting your offer accepted in a multiple offer situation, what you should and shouldn't be asking for, financing strategies, what inspections you should have, repairs, customary costs for the buyer to pay for versus the seller, contingencies, and so much more. I am here to hold your hand and guide you through the entire process to ensure that you make the right choice so you don't spend money unnecessarily. I am here throughout the transaction and even after we give you those awesome keys to your new home. I'm Latrice DeLuna, and as always, I'm happy to help.